Hello everyone, my name is Arshdeep Singh. I am here with Japjeet, our group coordinator, and other members are Komal, Madhav and Jeevan. Our group ID is VO8 and today we are going to present our video assignment on different things that we can do with Raspberry Pi. And Japjeet is going to explain about Raspberry Pi Tea Maker, and Madhav will tell us about zero power smartphone, and Komal will describe us about advanced alarm clock. Jeevan will discuss about high-tech mirror, and here comes Japjeet.
Hello everyone, today I am going to speak on Raspberry Pi Tea Maker. It is designed to brew the delicate loose leaf or bagged teas at precise temperatures for a high quality consistent cup of tea. It will accept voice commands, allow you to schedule tea so that you have a hot pot waiting for you when you get home or before you get up in the morning. And also it will be easily controlled via web and text messages. We will tell the Raspberry Pi for how long and at what temperature you want your tea brewed, and then the Pi will activate the connected kettle, measure the temperature and lower the tea in the servo motor. Once the tea leaves have been for the desired time, it will lift them out again, ready to be made into a lovely cup of tea. The ultimate end goal is to have a device which, after placing water into an electric kettle and loose tea into an infuser basket, which will then receive a command such as, and it will proceed to brew the tea at 180 degrees, steep the leaves for exactly 3 minutes, and then remove the leaves and hold the water temperature at 110 degrees until turned off. So that's all for the tea maker. Now Komal will discuss about her topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am here to explain how we can make an advanced alarm clock using Raspberry Pi. We will need lots of things to accomplish our task, but the most important things are jumper wires, hookup wires, audio amplifier, black electrical tape. First of all, we have to drill mounting holes in enclosure from all sides, or then we can use audio amplifier to set frequency and volume, and we have to build circuit. We have to use jumper wires of different colors to accomplish this step. Then we should boot up our Raspberry Pi to test amplifier. Moreover, we have to take care of that the volume is turned off during the program because sometimes it can get louder. Now we have to run our clock program to Raspberry Pi, and we have to connect all our wires to Raspberry Pi and LCD screen. Most importantly, we have to connect audio amplifier and compile it with this command. Then we are able to use SSH window to using the clock. Then we can open terminal and plug in our Wi-Fi module. Once clock start, you can remove Wi-Fi module to air gap because firstly when we open terminal, then the alarm will be off, but we can press the alarm button to keep it on. That's all we have to cover to make an advanced alarm clock by using Raspberry Pi. Now Madhav will cover his topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here I am to explain you about how to make a zero power smartphone with the help of Raspberry Pi. First of all, we need a lot of stuff to make it. Raspberry Pi, 2500 mAh battery, AC and DC converter, small electrical switch, tape, SIM card, cables, and TFT touchscreen. First, it is made by an Irish programmer, David Hunt. He loved to do such things with Raspberry Pi. He started trying to make a smartphone with the help of Raspberry Pi after he came across a DIV digital camera prototype that combined the module microcomputer with the TFT. He realized that just adding a GSM module could change the contraption of image capturing into rudimentary phone. The Projecto Pi phone runs on Python, so it is important to be sure that Raspberry Pi is equipped with Python development libraries. After placing all the things, we could connect it with a Pi TFT touchscreen using the cables, link the battery to the switch, and switch to the GSM module. Afterwards, connect it to the DC converter. We are going to use 2 more cables to connect GSM module receive and transmit pins to Raspberry Pi port. Then simply insert the SIM card. After this, we have to assemble all the parts with the use of duct tape and Velcro pieces. we shouldn't turn on the Pi phone because the processor will get warm. After all this process, we have to flick the switch to turn our Pi phone on, plugging headphone and microphone into the GSM module and dialing the touchscreen to call. So that's all for the Pi phone. Now Jeevan will tell us about our topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here I am going to talk about how to make a high-tech mirror using Raspberry Pi. First of all, make sure you have a mirror, a monitor, a Raspberry Pi, a USB cable, a power cable, a HDMI cable. Mirror. A regular mirror won't work. Semi-transparent mirror will be perfect for this purpose. Monitor. An old LCD will be suitable, but make sure the monitor had a powered USB port to power the Raspberry Pi. Here comes on the main part, that is installation of Raspberry Pi. One should have a Wi-Fi connectivity, a local web server to host the interface, a browser running full screen to display the interface. Make sure the system boots to desktop. Now you can configure the time zone to make sure it displays the correct time. And here are the commands that will be used for configuring Raspberry Pi, and command to display application like time, weather forecast, and applications that you need according to your needs.
Hello everyone, my name is Pallavi. I'm going to tell you about the Raspberry Pi and how to make a door lock with the help of a Raspberry Pi. First of all, what we need? We need a material. We need a Raspberry Pi model, high torque, tower probes, red light 3 mm, LED lights, one push button, one jumper wires, one glue, and one outdoor mounting tape. We're going to make this in the 3 steps. First, we're going to install and configure the Raspberry Pi. After that, we're going to build the hardwares between the Raspberry Pi and the lock. We're going to explain, we're going to install the different program in this. First, we're going to, we need to amplification of the Raspberry Pi. Then we're going to relay the Pi. Then we're going to make an electric switch. In the 3rd steps, we're going to make a server application code. And this, we need to install the NPM. We have to do coding in the command prompt. We're going to when the rest of the, we're going to RESTful API and PI, GPIO functions, through which we're going to install all the function on our smartphone. And with the help of that, we can install, with the help of our smartphone, we can switch on and off the door with the help of that. And we need the internet connections for that. So we gonna, in the end, we're gonna create the REST client with the final setup is complete, and the Raspberry door lock is set up in the smartphone. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sukhpreet. Here I'm going to talk about Raspberry Pi camcorder, which is made with the help of Raspberry Pi camera, and all we need for this is a switching regulator, a Bluetooth serial adapter, a Raspberry Pi with latest Raspbian, a Raspberry Pi camera, connectors for battery and Bluetooth adapters, a power source, enable Bluetooth mobile device, and a console app. And we need a case for putting all these things collectively, and we don't have screen jet on this. And first hurdle for independence, we need a 5V that can be supplied to GPIO header that has 2 pins, that is of 5V, and the other is to GND holder. And the next thing we need is the 2x4 female angle header and shoulder up connections. After connecting all these things, we need to update our Raspberry Pi. That is with the help of sudo adp get update and the sudo adp get upgrade. And after putting all these connections on a Raspberry and a camera, we need to plug in that and connect with the any device like mobile. We can switch on that. Thank you.
Thank you guys for providing such a great information regarding our topic, how we can use a single Raspberry Pi in different ways. As we have already discussed so many things today, in which I would like to tell you about some benefits of gadgets made by Raspberry Pi. All the Raspberry Pi products are super economical and very easy to make. Moreover, these products are conveniently available and one can enhance daily routine by using these products. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you.